Welcome, everyone. Today, not going to make a extremely lengthy video. I am going to the Peddler's Daughter in Haverhill before I have bowling. So I was going to do a video. I wasn't feeling so great earlier, but I'm feeling a lot better now. Headache has subsided. Wearing my Murphy's Law shirt and gonna go check out an Irish pub, have a Guinness or two, some food. Come check it. Just here, downtown Haverhill. Peddler's Daughter. Down this little ramp or walkway. Or stairs, I guess you should say. And look at that perfect pour, the Notre Dame glass. Also, we got Dave in the house.
Hey, everybody.
Sweet potato fries, son?
He said sweet potato fries, yes.
I did, because they're good. A lot of cool, kitschy things here. Got all the different patches from the police and fire departments from all over. It's a cool bar. I'll get the proper of me and Dave in it. Oh yeah.
Sláinte.
Sláinte.
Welcome to Peddler's Daughter.
Good stuff. Oh, and I saw this and I had to get that in the film. If you know, you know. And that is what we're dealing with. Got the one chip stew there.
Guinness stew.
The Guinness stew.
Yep. I'm hoping I can really taste the Guinness in here.
I got the chicken fingers and the fries. Done with the Notre Dame. Back with the basketball. And gotta make it to bowling. So one last look at the ambiance here. And Dave.
Let's go, Dubs.
And we're out. We got some bowling to do.
Let's go do it.
And nightfall is upon us. It's quite a bit lighter.
Let's go be an athlete.
Yeah, time to go be athletes. We'll be back, Peddler's Daughter. And here at the bowling alley is where I'm gonna end it. So thanks for watching.
That's child labor right there. I'm just asking.
Peace. I've never seen the alleys so dark.
See you, Maddie. Yeah, you'll